Welcome to our cartoon nail art tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating four adorable and playful cartoon-inspired nail design. Let's start with this adorable smiley face design. Begin by applying a base coat to your nails for smooth canvas. And this design can make a moody design, and you see this design is smiley design, and I make sure you like it. This design is very nice design. Show each step of process from applying the base coat to drawing the smiley face. There you go, a cheerfully smiley face on your nails. Repeat this on your other nails or mix it up with different design. You see this design, how much created and simple design by your nails. So much beautiful smiley face design. A cartoon animal. Now let's move on to your cute cartoon design. Apply a pastel color and rose color. Use this design. Start sketching the outline and brown color, orange color. Use this. Is not adorable. You can choose your favorite animal or create your own. Next, we have famous cartoon character. Apply a vibrant background color and let's bring this character to life. Last but not least, we will create a fun cartoon theme pattern. Apply a neutral base and let your imagination run wild. A playful cartoon theme pattern that will add a touch of whimsy to your nails. And there you have it, four fun and creative cartoon inspired nail design. Don't forget to seal your design with the top coat for long lasting beauty. Thanks for watching and remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.